Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is fridge. Okay, I already discussed this chapter. Now I am going to give the question pattern. Okay, look at the question. Describe the character of Jointo with reference to the story fridge. Okay, this is 6 marks question. Okay, and see the length of the 6 mark question. Okay, from here to here. Now I am just reading out the answer. You all listen. No need to copy this. Okay, you have to write it in your own language. Joyanto was influenced by his memories from the past that he chose to visit in Rajasthan rather than visiting the famous places like Jaipur, Udaipur, or Chittor. This tells us that he was a man influenced by his memories. Next, Joyanto seemed to be a quiet man. He seemed to be lost in his past. Joyanto was the only child of his parents. He had lots of toy when he was young. When he got fridge, he used to spend all his time with him. He could talk to his doll for hours. When his parents warned him not to overdo things with fridge, he did not listen to them. This shows that he had a great love for his doll, that is fridge. Joyanto was a sensitive soul. He was deeply attached to his doll fridge. He could not protect his doll from being destroyed by a couple of stray dogs. He buried fridge as if a real human being had died. Okay, this tells us that he was a sensitive man. Clear? Now you all have to read the story and you have to write this answer in your own language. Now next question I am discussing is write the character sketch of the narrator. Okay, this is also 6 marks question. Okay, I am reading it out, just listen, no need to copy it. Shankar, a teacher and Joyanto's childhood friend, is the narrator of the story. Throughout the story, the narrator appeared to be a good friend. On Joyanto's insistence to visit Bundi in Rajasthan, he willingly agreed. This tells us that he valued his friendship. The narrator was concerned about his friend. His anxiety and worry troubled him. To make him feel comfortable, he even thought of giving him the tranquilizer he had brought with him. Narrator was a smart man. An idea struck his mind to bring Joyanto back to normalcy. He proposed to dig the ground where the doll had been buried so that Joyanto could see all that was left of the doll. It would help him to get rid of his worried nations. Lastly, the narrator was a cheerful man. Like his friend, he is not a serious man. Okay, up to this much, you have to read it and write it in your own language. Okay, up until this much. In my next video, I am going to bring something new. Until then, goodbye.